Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to set custom ringtone in your iPhone iOS 16. So let's get started without wasting any time. To do that, you need two apps in your iPhone. You can download both from App Store. So one of them is Ringtone Maker. As you can see, here is the app you can download from App Store, and also GarageBand you can also download it from the App Store. So simply first of all open the ringtone maker app in your apps. So this is very simple method, you can make it very easy. So simply tap on plus button, and as you can see there are some option: import from video, upload from PC, ringtone sharing, and there are some more option: record, import from Apple Music, import from file. You can import the mp3 file from here. So I'm using first method, import from video. So simply tap on import from music, and here you have to extract the music of any video. So you can see here is the music. Here is the music that I have captured from video. So just rename the file. So tap on OK. As you can see, file name has been changed. So now tap on make. So it will redirect into the GarageBand app. Simply tap on GarageBand. So here long press on the file. So tap on share, and here tap on ringtone. So tap on continue. So as you can see, my ringtone has been added. So simply tap on export here. Tap on OK. As you can see, ringtone is exporting right now. So wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, ringtone has been exported as a successfully. So now go to the setting app and tap on sounds and tap on ringtone. So as you can see, my ringtone has been added here. So simply tap here. As you can see, ringtone is working successfully. So if you want to delete it from here, simply scroll to the left and delete from here. So if you have any problem, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.